it's like to be close to you.
Yeah, you like to fucking stand on top of me. We're gonna run up to this
We gotta go to that other
A2 bunker. What?
we were supposed to go to that other trader also, weren't we?
For what? You said the quests weren't gonna be ready. I got it right there if the quests aren't ready. Get in. Oh man, I gotta grab some lockpicks. That'd probably help going to a bunker, wouldn't it?
I would say so.
I mean, you might as well get going.
I don't know how to get there.
Do you pay attention to anything? No?
Oh, fuck me. Ah, there's a wolf attacking me.
Oh,
Ah!
I don't know why you're screaming. Just let him eat you. You got a gun and you can't beat the wolf?
Oh, I can't get into my bag to get the gun to get off my bike in time to get the damn thing.
I don't even see it.
Where'd it go?
You got an imaginary wolf chasing you or something?
No, it's not back there.
Oh yeah, it's back here, alright. I just see it running around.
Where'd it go? What you shooting at? Oh. Chopping up that imaginary wolf?
Well yeah, nobody's seen it but you. That just tells you right there it's imaginary. I'd carry that if I was you.
Carry it.
Yeah, to the thing, I wouldn't cut it up.
Oh, no, I won't carry it. Let it last longer.
Oh, is that what I said? Oh,
I'm
we're
glad
good
you
all
saw Cujo out there.
this. Might have to raise the health of the thing.
Oh, for what?
The wolves. I only shot like once or twice, maybe.
You hurt me? Yeah.
Sure, I
You
get
bit
cut
my
up
leg.
over here?
I didn't cut anything up. I grabbed the torso like you said.
Alright.
Is that it?
Yeah. I'll grab something to eat here. Why would you ride your bike in there?
The hell. Oh, there's another one out there.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Well, you might as well grab him too. Oh, we're gonna put all this shit, but we'll find a spot, I guess. Let's take that and that. Did you get him?
No.
Did you get him?
Yeah.
I was beginning to wonder there for a second.
Fuck. Ah!
Are you shooting me?
No. There's a third one.
Well, we didn't need 3.
Well, it attacked me. What was I supposed to do?
Kiss it.
Motherfucker.
They usually come in packs.
You got this one or that one?
I'll take this one. It don't matter.
Oh,
It's like babysitting.
that one was hiding in the bush and jumped out and got me.
I bet it did.
It did. Got a C2 bleed from the fucker.
Oh, that's good.
Is it?
Oh man, I'm encumbered. Fuck yeah. Try to get some screwdrivers, and Rachel Ray over here is killing more fucking wolves. It's awesome.
Was not my intention.
Oh, that's my stuff. I got a pack of fucking animal heads in there. Oh, won't need no meat for a while. You done?
Well, you're just saying you needed to go hunting.
Annie Oakley, you done over there?
I don't know where my bike's at now.
It's back here, Tardo.
Okay, good.
Just drop the shit right here so I can fucking put it away. I know how handicapped you are. That's 5 wolves.
Guess it wasn't the bear, I guess.
You'd have
Ready?
definitely died there. What the? Who the hell? Where'd you learn to sort shit at? That's my bike there, Tard. Oh, maybe it isn't. Get off my bike. That's why you don't park so close. Any more wild tabs over there?
Hope not. Fucker gave me a C2 injury.
Did you
Bit my
heal
leg off.
yourself?
Chewed my leg off. I wrapped it, yeah.
I'm surprised you were able to do that. Do you know where your leg's at on there? Do this bunker run and upload it. You still coming or you lost?
I'm gone.
I gotta make sure.
Here comes Big Back Betty. There's two of them.
Oh man, we gotta hurry.
want this big bottle of soda or no?
It's fine. This isn't looking too good.
Because we got everything yesterday.
That's what it's looking like. If I should take this crutch. How much room does it take up? Ugh.
Quite a bit, if I remember right.
I mean, it's a quest item, so. Oops. You just left all those guns over there? Jeez, what a bot.
You found guns there? I already got all that super bot. Get in there and get that gun. Where do you want me to put it? On my ass?
You can't fucking loot? You need me to loot it for you? You got room or not?
I'll make room.
You sure? Sounds like you're gonna cry about it. I can make room for it. If you want me to carry it.
I got it. I think.
Boyfriend's down there again.
Hear them. They're just one today?
I think so. Where the fuck did he go? Oh, sounds like a couple.
Can he open that back door back there, up there at the top of this ramp?
Yeah. Yeah, they can get your ass. If you go into a room, make sure you lock it. Or shut the door.
Sounds like he's next door.
Oh, you got a vintage hazmat suit now. You able to carry that or no? Oh, I got it.
I don't know.
I got it. Stay in here. Don't come out.
That ain't good. You better come back in here, don't you think?
Oh. Oh, shit.
Here, open the door. Get in here.
Damn, dude. That got a little nutty. I just shot their friend and they got all pissed off. Oh, wow. There's got to be about 50 of them over there. Sounds a little rough over there, Tab. Better reload your guns. I don't think I brought enough ammo. there and loot these.
Give me a minute.
Shot him in the ass. Got this all looted in there?
Yeah, did you go down here then?
Oh yeah. I went all the way at the end.
That's what I just asked you.
Well, I can't see where you're looking. Makes it kind of tough, you know, when I'm on my own game looking. Got all
Vitamin pills.
Sorry, I've been looted. Get the other room on the other side, don't forget. Oh man, you got two of your boyfriends over here. I got him. I got him, Tab. I got him. Oh, there's one in there. Sirs? Man. Don't forget to loot those. Hey, where are all these rats coming from? Don't forget to loot your, both rooms on each side.
What are you talking about?
Down where
I'm
at.
not up there.
Whenever you get up there, they're back.
These rooms?
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice gun. That shoots a 30-06. EMP grenade. 30-06 for game hunting. Put some of the stuff down here. Maybe we carry it. Yeah, we can probably carry it. Might go see if I can. This one don't have it, does it? I'm gonna go back down to that one big room, medical room, see if I can pick that lock. If I can't, I didn't bring enough screwdrivers, so I'll have to do it quick. Ooh, oh!
I got a screwdriver. Oh, what?
Yeah. You left your boyfriend down here or what? Man. What are the odds of me getting this? Not very good, huh? Oh, almost had it. Come on. Negative. Negative, Ghost Rider. Two more screwdrivers. One left. That's it. Oh, Taz got two screwdrivers.
Just found him back there.
Could this be it? Nope. Tab fucked us.
There's a lockpick there. Is it not the same?
No, it's good. It's just I don't.
You ready?
Yeah, I don't have any screwdrivers. Could have had some Phoenix tears, but I'll never know. Is that mine?
Your what?
Is that your sword?
No.
Oh.
My sword, yeah.
Alright, whenever you're ready. We get out of here. It's a quick bunker run. Coming or? Go left when you come out of that room. I found a carbon hunter rifle. 30-06. It's for big game hunt.
I don't know what 30-06 is a gun.
Oh boy.
Ammo.
Size of the round. That's what it shoots. You ready? You got all the guns? All 15 of them?
Mm-hmm.
15 of the same gun?
Yeah. Pretty much. Three of the same, anyway. Three of the four.
Where's he at? There. We can always go to the prison. We run back to the house.
Grab some ammo.
Yeah, I don't even know if I got any.
That's what's nice about this place, is it's not far from the base.
You encumbered?
No.
Oh man. So you can probably run at the same time I am. Alright, now take out sprint. There you go. I was gonna say we could take all this up to the other bunk, or that the prison, but if we end up getting a ton of stuff, we ain't gonna have any room to carry it.
Yeah. Very true. My bag's full.
Here's it.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we can drop off stuff that we want to save, I guess. Then, what the hell are you doing?
Looking for zombies so they don't attack us while we're getting on our bike.
We can try to throw, like, some of the stuff in the bag. I don't know, we'll sort through it when we get back to the place. Guess you're gonna stand there. Coming?
I gotta put my sword in my bag so that I can get on the bike.
I think there's 13 lockers at the prison. Blue. This medical thing, crutch. You able to make room or no?
What?
You able to make room or no?
Yeah, I'm just putting all the stuff in here.
Well, I just need to know if you're able to make room. That way we can decide whether or not you're going to do the other.
I wasn't planning on taking any of this stuff with me that I've got.
Well, that's the whole point. We were going to take it with us to sell it at the same time. Take a screwdriver with us. You got an extra screwdriver? Like a single one?
Any screwdriver that I have to it.
I guess I could just take 12. Hopefully we get lucky and find one. Tab flag, yeah, right. There's a coffee. It's about to expire. Need to drink it. I mean, I could probably carry some stuff. If you can't carry it.
Well, I don't know what you're wanting to take and what you're not wanting to take.
I don't know what you're wanting to take and what you're not wanting to take. Take everything that we're going to sell. I don't know what you got in there. You're a master looter.
I mean, you're wanting to take a bunch of stuff, but you're wanting to go loot a bunch of stuff beforehand. I don't understand how you're expecting us to have room to carry it all. Are we taking the puppet eyes then?
Yeah. Just gotta find a screwdriver between now and there. Between there and there. Know what I mean?
Yeah.
What do you got? I could probably carry some stuff.
I've got the guns that I was carrying from earlier.
Alright, we're gonna get rid of this, this ammo. I never carry ammo unless it's in a box. Geiger counter, we could probably keep one. You can throw it my, yours or mine, it don't matter. Are you keeping that MAC 10?
No, I don't need it. I have the gun that you bought me.
Alright.
Right?
Yeah, wherever he's at. Anything else? You got an M9 magazine there.
I put the magazines that you bought for me in my thing. I got an extra one on me, and then my ammo that you bought for me
Well,
in
I'd
my bag.
carry at least 2 clips, plus the one in the gun. I sure the hell wouldn't want to run out of clips trying to shoot shit. Alright, think of anything else?
I don't know.
No?
I don't think so. You're going to the trader. Are you taking quest items then? No.
No, huh? Because you just said the quests aren't gonna be ready. Didn't you?
I did not say that. You keep saying that. I don't know when they'll be ready. I don't know how
Drink
long
the
it was.
coffee. What other guns you got in your bag?
I've got the 4 that we just picked up.
Drop them out on the floor so I can see what's going on there. Jeez. Let's see. Alright, if we find more guns, you're able to carry at least 2 of them? Might be
Depends on how big they are.
able to make more room, but we'll see. Alright.
I should be fine. I doubt if we find all that much when we go there, but what happened to the other 2 that I had? You picked them up?
I got 2 guns in my thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Is that alright, or?
Are we?
Riding bikes, yep. Going to the prison, yep. Then we're going to the trailer after that, yep.